This tutorial video is designed to accompany the worksheet for lesson 22 of Learn Your Scales and Arpeggios for Clarinet, which introduces dominant sevenths, explaining that this is a kind of arpeggio. It is important that you follow all the instructions on the worksheet, as this video will not cover all that is required by itself. The dominant of a scale is the fifth step, as you have already learned. So the dominant chord in the key of C is a G major chord. G is the dominant in C major and in C minor, and dominant chords are always major chords. That's why we just say the dominant seventh is in the key of C. Triads and the arpeggios you have been playing so far have a root, a third and a fifth. The dominant seventh is so called because we add a seventh. In this case, the seventh is F natural. Don't be tempted to play F sharp just because the arpeggio is based on a chord of G major. We are in the key of C. It is worth noting that if you play F and G simultaneously, you get something of a clash. But when you add the rest of the dominant seventh chord, it becomes much more pleasing to the ear. The dominant seventh is a very important chord in all music and features in virtually every piece you will play. Here is the dominant seventh in the key of C. The dominant seventh in the key of D is based on the arpeggio of A major. Remember that the seventh of the chord will be G natural, as we are in the key of D. Just as in the A major arpeggio, the C sharp should be played with the right hand fingering. A note in the worksheet for this lesson explains that the C sharp rule does not necessarily apply to all dominant sevenths, but it certainly does in this instance. There are no exercises for these first two dominant sevenths, as they are actually quite easy to play. In the dominant seventh in the key of B flat, however, the seventh is E flat in an arpeggio which is based on the F major chord. This means that the C below the E flat in the second register must be played with the left hand fingering. Exercise 38 helps you develop a secure finger technique for this arpeggio. Here is the dominant seventh in the key of B flat. Be sure to complete practice plan 22 thoroughly before you move on to lesson 23.